Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Monday, May the 18th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is an email that you can use if you have any questions for me. This is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. And the room is open Monday to Friday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. And in the link you're getting today, you'll still see the test drive link. Now, just to tell you, by the time you see this video, if you do sign up, you're only going to get 4 trading days. It will cost the $8.99, but if you think that's worth it, it's about $2.50 a day, $2.50 a day. You can still have access to our full premium service for those 4 trading days. And also, if you're a standard subscriber and you'd like to try the premium service out for those 4 days, it's open to you also for the $8.99. And we only do this 4 times a year, so the next one will not be until August. Now, I didn't do any videos last week. Busy answering a lot of questions. So we had a huge sign up for the test drive for this month, or for this one. And so couldn't really do any videos last week, but I'm going to get back into the swing of things today and for the balance of the week. So I only took the one trade so far today, and that's the ALTG trade. ALTG came from my watch list. Some interesting ones from the watch list, actually. Let's go over them. Jern, that was at 191 on that candle, and it got all the way up to 241. I actually wanted to take this one just over 2, but I got a little bit distracted. I think was answering a question, so I kind of missed that one. The ACB, this has been an incredible one. 1672, chopped around a little bit. Wouldn't have been like super easy, but eventually once it got rolling, 1672, it got all the way up to 1970, so almost $3 on top of that one. This is the one that I took, the ALTG. I actually took it twice. I took it the first time right here around 611, and then it dropped down underneath 6, and I took myself out of the trade, I think for about a 15-cent loss. I kept saying to people I could get back into this trade though if it got back up to this level, to the 610 level or so, only though if it had some volume. And there the volume finally came in. You can see on that candle, that volume bar right there is right on that candle. So I ended up retaking that trade, got in, I think it was actually 613, sold some out at 633, and then on the way down at 627. Still may be interested in this. You have to take a look at let's see, the weekly shows it. Yeah, you see, look at this weekly chart. This is why it made the watch list in the first place, because look at all the potential room it has to keep going. And so even see, I have to wait for this to close today to see if I'm going to carry it forward to tomorrow's watch list. It looks good though, as long as it, I don't want to see it collapse all the way down to 5 or something. But if it hangs in the 620 to 630 mark, this will probably still be on the watch list tomorrow because it still has a ton of room. And again, when I say that, you're looking at this weekly chart and there's nothing stopping it up until about this area of 10. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but at least all we like to do is take one aspect of why a stock may not keep going up, and that we want to eliminate any chart resistance. And that's what we do when we take a look at a weekly chart like this, and we see all this room that it could keep going higher. Let me take a look. This one actually, this one I was a short bias, and it actually showed up on the long side. Show you what I mean on the daily chart. So when I did my work on Friday afternoon, looking for stocks that I was going to add to the watch list, I saw this that was the candle on Friday, and I thought, well, if it can take the low of Friday and Thursday, which are about the same, if it can take those out and keep moving down, it had about $3 underneath. So this was sort of a short bias. It just happened that it popped up and it moved above the high of Friday, so that's why it triggered. But I kind of discounted it. I really didn't think very much of it. Probably what I should have done is taken a short up in this area and wrote it down a bit. This is an interesting one, the GMAB. Might have to get back into the room soon. This is a lifetime high right now for this. Take a look at it on the, if you look at it on the daily chart, you'll certainly see it. Okay, this is a lifetime high. I think it had news on May the 1st, and this is not a virus play, but it had some news on May the 1st, and this has been, pretty good. I mean, it's been a little bit choppy and but now, this is a lifetime high for GMAB. So when I get back into the room, I'll have to see what I want to do with that one. So that's about it. Again, just kind of dipping my toes back in getting into the trading aspect. I only took one trade last week, and that was Friday, and didn't take any trades Monday to Thursday. Again, really busy answering a lot of questions. So I will wind this up. Again, if you do want to still take part in the test drive, the link is there. And there's also a link for subscription if you do want to take out a subscription, and there's a promo code there. So I'll bring this off, and I'll bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address right here. This is a link to get into the free room, and I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.